Alright, y'all. What's better than a dog? That right there. That's Callie. That's my bunny. Better than a dog. My dad over here helping me with waters. Over here filling up the American breast and watering his little tree. That's his baby right there. He got a brand new hat. He's so proud of it. It has a little rooster on the front. Dad, you having fun?
Oh yeah. I love this life. Bungee cord at?
Right there. Dad, you want to show them what you're doing?
I'm using the roots of this grass to clean this out so it ain't so slimy. And yes, people are going to say, oh, it's got grass in it. I mean, it's going to have grass in it in 5 minutes. That's what they do. I just want to scrub it real good. Rinse it out. We po folks, y'all. We po folks. Well, that's a clean one, sort of. Clean-ish till we get back for church. All right, fellas, y'all ready? Where we gonna put it? Send them that way. Bring that bucket back. I could put them on this fence line. I could put them right here.
Why don't you just drag them down over here?
Even. I better not put it right.
Just put them over here.
Let's stick them right here. That's pretty grand.
Dad, just put them right there.
That's gonna get pretty wet. Let's see what we got. Come on, fellas.
Dad, how old are them roosters?
These?
Yeah. What, a year old?
Yeah, they'd probably be a year old now. One more time. There y'all go. Fresh grass. Fresh grass. Get your fresh grass. Cleaned up. There's trash in the bottom of that water. That sucks. Stuff falling from the trees. But they'll have it dirty in a minute. There y'all go, fellas. Alright, stop it there. Nope.
To the ducks we go.
Good morning, boys and girls. Guten Tag. Get out.
Don't matter how many times you clean that water's still gonna get dirty within 5 seconds.
They love it when you pour it on the ground. Fresh water, fresh water. Come and get your fresh water. What's all over that bikini leaf?
That's just how she was born.
Probably me.
They love the water on the ground. After we get home from church, that water be muddy again. Won't it, Dad?
Yeah, half of it will be missing. Or 3/4 of it. They'll get it all out of there. Ooh, I just wet myself. Wet yourself.
Gerald Paul's water. Yeah. This is Dad's daily date with Gerald Paul.
Let's see. I have to clean these waters for long.
And there's Atlas. Being the big baby he is. Can I have your paw? Give me your paw.
Ooh, that looks bad.
Give me your paw. No. Sit. Sit down. Give me your paw. Good boy. You're such a good boy. His daily pets. He's just a baby. Can I have your paw? Give me your paw again. Good boy.
Man, when's the last time y'all cleaned this? A long time. Gonna empty out fast as I can do it, ain't it? And watermelon / pumpkin valley has been planted. The watermelons are on the bottom, the pumpkins are on top. Yeah, I could have put the watermelons first and the pumpkins last, but who cares? It's fine. But we have Clay County yellow meat watermelons growing. We have Crimson Sweets, Sugar Babies, and I have 2 rows of those giant watermelons I grow up here on the top side. And the rest of these are giant pumpkins. And right there I have a mulberry growing. As you see, I just planted. And right here, all these we sprouted ourselves and from cuttings. And I also put one behind Gerald Paul back here, so that's ready to go. And man, y'all, we've had family up both days for Easter, but to get it all bush hogged, as you see, and all the gardens retilled from all the grass and rain. And guess what, y'all? It's gonna be days and days of rain coming up. So I'm gonna be overwhelmed with grass. I said, screw it, we're gonna go ahead and plant it. And we have some pumpkins in the garden out here. We also have, what was those watermelons you had? Stone Mountain. So we have Stone Mountain watermelons planted over there. We have 2 rows of the giant Jubilees over here. 1 row of Clay County yellow meat. I've never had a yellow watermelon, so we're gonna try it.